be a time in the future when I'm going to throw these pistons and it's going to go into the block. What say?
Nice one.
That's the undercarriage of the hot rod. As you see, it's really fucked up now, but in time, that is 8 hours, I don't think so it's going to be fucked up anymore. It's going to have a lovely undercarriage anti-rust color. That's the plan for tomorrow morning, and we'll be putting the engine. We'll be seeing over here all these pipes, what you see, these pipes, these. They all are going to be replaced by brand new fuel pipes, brake pipes, handbrake cable, and all this is going to be painted with the anti-rust. As you see, it's really corroded. So giving it tomorrow around 8 hours, we'll be under a nice clean hot rod. That's the kind of hard work that goes into cleaning the body, the undercarriage, because as you see, this is India. Over here, when cars rust, they really rust very badly, and this is one of the reasons. Once a car is abandoned for a few years, this is the kind of corrosion that the car has to go through, and it makes our job very complicated. In fact, most of the flooring gets rusted, then we have to replace the rusted panels with brand new panels. And after the panels are fitted, we have to put the correct anti-rust. In fact, ordinarily people put 1 or 2 coats of anti-rust. We guys land up putting 4 to 6 coats of anti-rust because this is Bombay. The weather is very humid. The air has got a lot of salt in it, and then that's more than enough to give corrosion to your metal all around these classic cars. So it's our job to see everything is clean, then the anti-rust comes in, and yep, that's when we know our car is going to be alive for the coming decade and a half. Restoration, my friends. Cleanliness is next to godliness. This is the mantra we guys use over here at Team Motorworks Craftsman. Keep cleaning, and keep cleaning.
So there you go, guys. Now I'm sitting under the car. As you can see, I'm so comfortable. The car is so clean and so much restored that everything is just looking like brand new under here, mate. So wow, that's a good show, mate.